What if I told you that you can know that if I flip this coin, you can actually know which side it is going to land on. So a new study had tested flipping 350,000 coins and found that coin tosses aren't 50-50 because of the wobble. The side facing up at the start slightly more like about 51% to land face up. This is called same side bias. Means if you know which side is up, you would have the edge in betting over many tosses. So if this what they say is true, I will test this today. Let's start. So as I was saying that I am going to test this coin split today by flipping it 100 times, and let's see how many times I am getting heads or I am getting tails.